Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World, and today we're going to do a video comparison between the UI on the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active. Now, if you're thinking about buying any of these smartwatches, I will leave a couple of links in the description down below so you guys can go have a closer look at these two awesome smartwatches. Now, both watches are not running the same UI. Now, you got Tizen 4.0 running on the Galaxy Watch, and on the Galaxy Watch Active, you got the new One UI. And as you can see, that Samsung has been changing their pages. They got the One UI look, so everything blends right in. So it makes sense that this one, the newer version, is running the One UI out of the box. All right, now let's take a look at some of the subtle differences, and they are subtle, but they are yet the same different. Now, the question for me to you is are these differences going to be welcome with you once we get the update later on down the line? Because we will be getting an update, and we will probably get some of this stuff ported over to the Galaxy Watch, the Gear Sport, and the Gear S3. All right, now so far as like your notifications, they're all pretty much going to look the same. For whatever reason, they really didn't change that at all, but the change comes in at is when you drop the screen down. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna do the same thing here on the Galaxy Watch. There's a difference, right? Look at the icons. You got a lot of light coming through there. Here on the Galaxy Watch, it looks a lot cleaner. I think it looks a lot better. I think this is a bad change, but here's the difference. You see that dot down at the bottom? That simply means that you can add more shortcuts now because you have two pages, and you don't get that on the Galaxy Watch, not at all. But on both smartwatches, you will be able to customize the drop screen shade so far as your shortcuts are concerned, which is pretty cool. I like that. Now, the second difference is going to be here in your widgets. As you can see, some things have been updated. They have been changed. I don't know if I like the change at all. Maybe I just got used to looking at my smartwatch with the Galaxy Watch compared to the Galaxy Watch Active, but there is a difference. As you can see, it is a difference, and I don't know if I'm with it or not yet. Again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on it. And there are a couple other things that you're going to get on the Galaxy Watch Active that you won't get on the Galaxy Watch. But other than that, they're pretty much the same. It's just that the UI has changed a little bit. The colors have changed a little bit as well. Some of the information has changed too, so far as what you could do with your smartwatch, as you can see. But all in all, I don't know. I like the drop shade better, right? For the most part. Other than that, let's go into settings. Now in settings, you've seen it before when I did the actual review, you get a little bit of color with this now. You don't get that with the Galaxy Watch, which isn't a deal breaker. I could take it or leave it. It does add a little flavor, the colors of the icons and things like that. And of course, they changed some of the icons to a degree as well. Again, nothing that's a deal breaker, nothing that's major or anything like that. But also, here you got vibrations. Here, and it's not no big change. You got sounds and vibrations, and that's not a big difference, right? But if you go down to advanced, in advanced, you got what is called touch to wake up. Now you know you have bezel wake up, and the reason they did that is simply because you don't have the rotating bezel on here like you do on the Galaxy Watch. Let me go to it so you can see. Go out. So here you have, of course, your wake up gesture, wake up bezel, and that's what that is. So that makes sense that they put that there. What do you think thus far? I mean, it's no real big difference. There's a little difference so far, the look and feel, the fonts, the icons, the things of that nature, but nothing real major, right? Nothing that I'll be looking forward to through the update except for that drop shade. And the only thing I'm looking for in the drop shade is an extra page. I hope we get to look at it, keep the look of the icons that's on the Galaxy Watch compared to what we have on the Galaxy Watch Active. Again, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on the difference between the One UI and also the Tizen 4.0. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this comparison. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.